Good morning, sir. Today we are going to discuss about a case study regarding the Internet of Things in OSI layers. So normally the OSI layers having 7 layers. So in this video we are going to discuss about how we represent all the 7 layers in IoT. Starting from single, we can able to start from first layer.
First layer of IoT is a physical layer. Physical layer holds an important role of collecting the data and transmitting to the next layer. The main components of physical layer is sensors, actuators, microcontrollers, which collects the data from the various parts of the devices and transmit it to the next layer. The sensor collects data like motion data, temperature data, pressure data, and the actuator collects the data like opening the valve and it send it to the next layer for further processing.
Data link layer. Data link layer is second layer in the OSI layer. In this data link layer, we have two protocols, MAC and LLC. MAC means media access protocol. LLC means logical layer protocol. So data link layer may be wired or wireless communication.
Network layer is the third layer of OSI model. It is also known as a transmission layer, which is responsible for routing data from devices on a network, it is also act as a bridge between the prescription layer and application layer, which collecting information from physical objects through the sensors and transmitting it. The network layer can use as a wireless and wired medium. In wireless, we use TCP, transmission control protocol, and for wired medium, we use UDP, user datagram protocol.
The transport layer in OSI model is the fourth layer and responsible for the end-to-end communications and between the devices across the network. It provides service such as transportations and air control, flow control, connections and multiplexings, terminations and establishment and terminations. And the data in the transport layer is referred to as in segments, and it is provided as well. Such kinds of the examples are included in the transmission control protocol and the user data frames and protocols. And for the main functions of transport layer protocol are node-to-node process and the synchronizations. And it is also referred to as an end-to-end complete synchronization process of the segment as well as the complete processes.
Session layer is the fifth layer of the OSI model. The session layer establishes, maintains, and terminates communication sessions called applications. It enables checkpointing and recovery of data exchanges. The examples of session layer include protocols like SIP and NetBIOS. SIP means session-based protocol. NetBIOS means network basic input-output system.
The presentation layer is the sixth layer in OSI model. The users interact with the IoT devices and systems. It encircles the various components such as mobile applications, user interface, dashboards, etc. Those devices are enabled by users for monitor, control and manage through IoT devices. Actually, the presentation layers plays a crucial role in real-time data analytics. Here in OSI model, it refers the IoT devices and applications. It enables the devices to collect, process and transmit the data. It has the key protocols such as message querying, terminal transport and the constant application protocol, and also hypertext transport protocol.
We can conclude that the application layer has been used for domain name system because if you are typing the IP address or the website of the corresponding address, we can able to see the concerned information through this. Next one is presentation layer. Here we are going to analyze about the data representation. Next one is system layers. So here the values are interposed between the devices has been performed. One is transport layers. So the transport layers are the key factor for passing the data to the destination. It is based on transmission control protocol. Next one is data link layer. So initially the data link layers are specified by two types. First one is wire connection as well as the wireless connection. So these two connections has been made by some kind of protocols such as TCP as well as UDP protocols. Next one is physical layers. The physical layers are the medium which is convert the values as zeros and one to the computer, so that we can able to get the corresponding information as a binary numbers. So like that, all the layers has been forwarded to the corresponding layers. Thank you.